Imagine tapping into a market worth over $20 billion by 2025. Sounds incredible, right? What if I told you anyone could dive into this booming industry with just a little hustle and the right strategy? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about today on Moneymaker. Ebook publishing. Establish clear objectives. Before you even begin writing your ebook, it's essential to define your objectives. Having clear goals helps guide every decision, from the content you create to how you market your ebook. Are you aiming to generate passive income, grow your email list, establish authority in your field, or something else entirely? Your objective will shape your approach in a big way. For example, when I launched my first ebook, my primary goal was to build my email list. I offered a free chapter in exchange for email signups, which allowed me to grow a community of thousands of subscribers, something that's been invaluable for my future business effort. Now, I want you to take a moment and think about your own primary goal for your ebook. Is it to make sales, connect with an audience, or something else? Pause the video, drop your goal in the comments below, and let's get clear on your mission together. Defining your objective up front sets the stage for success and makes every step of the process feel more purposeful. Understand your audience. Understanding your audience is key to creating an ebook that resonates with them. If you want your ebook to be successful, it must address the specific challenges, needs, or desires of your target audience. The first step is to truly know who you're writing for. Whether it's aspiring entrepreneurs, parents, fitness enthusiasts, or professionals in a certain industry, understanding their pain points will shape your content and marketing approach. By doing research through social media polls, surveys, or exploring the feedback and comments on competitors' ebooks, you gain valuable insights into what your audience is really looking for. This insider information will help you craft content that speaks directly to their needs, ensuring that your ebook provides real value. As an interactive tip, think about the questions or problems your ideal reader might have. For instance, if you're writing for new parents, they might struggle with sleep training or balancing work and family life. If you're targeting small business owners, they could be looking for strategies to increase sales or improve productivity. Jot these down in a notebook, as they can be excellent starting points for ebook topics. By addressing these concerns, you create content that feels personal and relevant to your readers. Selecting a profitable niche. Selecting the right niche for your ebook is crucial. It's the secret sauce that determines whether your ebook will soar or fall flat. Finding that sweet spot means aligning your passion with a market that is willing to pay for the solution you offer. Passion keeps you motivated, but market demand ensures there's an audience eager to buy. To research a profitable niche, I recommend starting with Amazon bestsellers to see what topics are currently hot. Google Trends is another great tool, allowing you to track demand over time to ensure the interest isn't just a passing fad. Quora and Reddit are perfect for seeing what real people are asking about. This gives you a direct look at the problems or questions people are actively searching for answers to. For an action step, I encourage you to spend a few minutes researching 3 potential niches. Look for areas where your interests overlap with what people are actively seeking and willing to pay for. If you're unsure about which niche has the most potential, drop your ideas in the comments, and I'd be happy to help you evaluate them and point you in the right direction. This process will ensure that you're not just writing an ebook, but one that stands a good chance of making an impact and generating sales. Crafting your ebook. Writing an ebook doesn't have to be as daunting as it may initially seem. The key is to break it down into small, manageable chunks and focus on progress, not perfection. Instead of stressing about getting everything right, just get the words on the page. The more you write, the clearer your ideas will become, and you can always refine things later. If you hit a block, don't worry. I found that setting a 30-minute timer and writing as quickly as possible helps me push past it. During that time, just focus on getting the content down. Don't worry about editing or second guessing. This approach is surprisingly effective for keeping momentum going. For the writing process itself, I highly recommend tools like Scrivener to keep your work organized, and Hemingway app. Streamline your editing and ensure your writing is easy to read. These tools can make a huge difference in your workflow and the final quality of your ebook. As a challenge, I'd love for you to start brainstorming a chapter outline for your ebook. Think about the 3 key points you want to focus on in your first chapter or section. Once you have those, share them below and I'll be happy to help you tweak them for maximum impact and clarity. Starting with a solid outline will set you up for success and help keep your writing on track. Designing an eye-catching ebook. When it comes to your ebook, design plays a crucial role in whether or not people decide to buy it. The cover in particular is your first impression, and it needs to catch the eye of potential readers. A professional-looking cover can make all the difference. And fortunately, you don't need to hire an expensive designer to get a high-quality result. Tools like Canva and Adobe InDesign allow you to create visually appealing covers with ease, even if you don't have any design experience. When designing, remember that less is more. Opt for bold fonts that stand out and are easy to read, and use clear, high-quality images. Keep the layout simple and clean. Don't overcrowd the cover with too many elements. The goal is to make it visually striking, but also straightforward enough that it communicates the value of your ebook at a glance. As an interactive challenge, I encourage you to design your ebook cover using Canva. Once you've created it, drop your design in the comments below or tag me on Instagram, and I'd be happy to provide personalized feedback to help you fine-tune your design for maximum impact. A great cover can make your ebook irresistible, so let's make sure it stands out. Choosing the right publishing platform. When it comes to publishing your ebook, you have a few different options, and each comes with its own set of advantages and challenges. Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, is by far the most popular platform, especially for beginners. It's easy to use, offers great exposure, and allows you to tap into Amazon's massive customer base. However, it comes with some limitations, like less control over pricing and distribution. If you're looking for more flexibility, self-hosting your ebook on your own website or through other platforms like Gumroad or Payhip might be a better option. This gives you full control over your sales process, pricing, and customer data. The pros of Amazon KDP include a large potential audience and the ease of getting started. The downside is that you'll need to work within Amazon's guidelines and share a percentage of your sales with them. On the other hand, self-hosting offers more control, but it requires more work in terms of marketing, sales, and handling payments directly. Effective marketing techniques. Effective marketing is essential for the success of your ebook, and content marketing is one of the most powerful ways to build momentum before you even launch. Creating valuable content like blogs, podcasts, or social media posts not only engages potential readers, but also helps you establish yourself as an authority in your niche. This builds trust with your audience and primes them for your ebook launch. One tactic that has worked incredibly well for me is partnering with influencers in my niche. Even small influencers with a loyal, engaged following can make a big difference in reaching new readers and boosting your sales. For your interactive challenge, I want you to think about one influencer or platform where you could market your ebook. Maybe it's a blogger, podcaster, or social media personality whose audience overlaps with your target market. Share your idea below, and I'd be happy to help you brainstorm a strategy to approach them and make that partnership work for your ebook marketing. Launching your ebook successfully. A successful ebook launch requires careful planning, and it all begins long before your actual launch day. Building anticipation is crucial to getting people excited and ready to purchase. Start by creating a landing page that highlights the key benefits of your ebook and offering early bird specials or bonuses to entice potential readers. This can be a great way to start collecting email signups and get people talking about your upcoming launch. On launch day itself, focus on promoting your ebook through email blasts, social media posts, and even offering special discounts or time-limited deals to generate excitement and urgency. But remember, the work doesn't stop once your ebook is out. After the launch, it's important to continue engaging with your readers. Ask for reviews, encourage feedback, and use the insights you gather to improve future projects. Building a loyal audience and community is a long-term effort, and the post-launch phase is just as important as the pre-launch and launch days. Analyzing performance and adapting tracking. The performance of your ebook is essential to understanding what's working and what's not. By using tools like Google Analytics, KDP reports, and social media insights, you can gather data on your sales, website traffic, and audience engagement. This information allows you to see what's resonating with your readers and where there might be room for improvement. For example, if you're seeing strong sales from a particular channel or marketing tactic, you can focus more on that. On the flip side, if a strategy isn't yielding results, it's time to reassess and make adjustments. Once you have your data, use it to adapt and improve. Maybe your cover design needs a tweak, or perhaps your pricing strategy isn't quite right for your audience. Whatever the case may be, the key is to be flexible and willing to change course when necessary. The goal is continuous improvement, and using analytics to guide your decisions will help you grow. I'd love to know, what's your first goal with your ebook? Drop it in the comments and I'll help you stay on track. And if this video gave you value, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more tips to level up your ebook business with Moneymaker.